Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of UPS battery replacements. On my left, we have the APCRBC17, and on my right, the APCRBC124. One is priced at $56, while the other is $101. So which battery should you choose? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The RBC17 is a budget-friendly option at $56, making it a great choice for those looking to save some cash. Reviewers have praised it for being a reliable and cost-effective solution. On the flip side, the RBC124 is more expensive at $101, but many users feel that the quality justifies the price. They appreciate its longer lifespan and warranty. So, if budget is your main concern, RBC17 takes the cake, while RBC124 offers premium features that some feel are worth the investment. Next, let's look at performance. The RBC17 is noted for restoring runtime effectively, with users claiming it resolves issues like unexpected beeping during the night. They found it easy to install and reported no complaints after use. In contrast, the RBC124 promises to restore your UPS to its original specifications. Users have mentioned that it significantly improves runtime, especially for older units, although some had mixed experiences with customer service. If you need a straightforward fix, RBC17 shines, but for those wanting the best performance, RBC124 is a strong contender. Let's discuss compatibility. The RBC17 is compatible with a wide range of models, making it a versatile choice for many users. Reviewers appreciate its adaptability and ease of installation. Meanwhile, the RBC124 is compatible with fewer models, but is designed specifically for certain high-end units, ensuring a perfect fit. Users have noted its good performance in these models, but if you have an older UPS, you might not have the option to use this battery. In terms of compatibility, RBC17 is the winner here for its broad range. Lastly, let's touch on recycling programs. The RBC124 offers an RBC recycling program allowing users to recycle their old batteries with free return shipping, which is a hit among environmentally conscious consumers. Reviewers appreciate this initiative as it makes disposing of old batteries hassle-free. Unfortunately, the RBC17 does not provide such a program, leaving users to figure out recycling on their own. For eco-friendly options, RBC124 takes the lead. In summary, both batteries have their strengths. The RBC17 is praised for its affordability and reliability, while the RBC124 is recognized for its premium features and environmental initiatives. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, RBC17 is your best bet. However, if you want a battery that offers longevity and a recycling program, RBC124 is worth considering. So what's the verdict? If you want to save some cash and don't mind a little DIY, RBC17 is your go-to buddy. But if you're looking for that extra peace of mind with a warranty and a recycling program, and you don't mind splurging a bit, RBC124 is your pick. Let us know in the comments, which battery would you choose? Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep your gadgets charged and your wallets happy.